Good morning everyone. I Divyanshi Sharma of BSc Applied Science along with Vishal, Ritik, Manish, Khushi are here to present the model Sustainable Bioplastic under India is Innovating. As we know that nowadays 150 million tons of conventional plastic is used. So for that conventional plastic we replace the conventional plastic by the use of bioplastics.
We can derive bioplastic from a natural substance. These substances are biodegradable. This can obtain from the vegetable peels, there are cellulose present in grass, papers, and so many things we can derive the natural plastic.
As we earlier said that conventional plastic are replaced by bioplastic. So bioplastic are derived from the natural resources like vegetable peels, corn starch, pea starch and microbiota.
We can prepare some sample of the bioplastic in lab by derive some substance in extract some substance in lab. Like this is the plastic for decorative items. This is the extraction of the potato starch from the potato in lab, and we prepare this plastic. We prepare a pen. For in as compared to the plastic pen, we prepare biodegradable pen. This is prepared from the agar solution. It is the seaweed, and this is a plastic sheet biodegradable plastic sheet. This is a moisture resistance and used in the packaging industries. This plastic can replace the plastic in packaging, and we prepare sample of a hard plastic that can use in the electrical appliances and in some toy industries. This is a flexible plastic. It can use in like flexible plastic needed, and this is a biodegradable plastic, flexible plastic using in rubber bands and so many other things. And this is some more samples for decorative plastic that we prepare in the lab.
Now we highlight the importance of bioplastics, that how can we use bioplastic in our daily lives. So bioplastics are the plastics that are made from renewable resources and are able to break down naturally. The first ever man-made was also a bioplastic. It can reduce reliance on fossil fuels, support sustainability in the industry and allow manufacturers to diversify feedstocks.
Thank you.
Thank you.